everyone, my name is Angela and I am here to show you how to make money on the safest, easiest, and most secured website for verified users to be able to view, buy, and sell custom feet content, and that is on FeetFinder.com. Welcome back, FeetFinder fans, and thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to be learning how to make money on FeetFinder.com. So if you're ready to learn more about this fun, then definitely keep watching. Here's how it works. To start as a Pics seller, you have to be 18 years or older and have a government verified ID. In most countries like the USA, Australia, Canada, the UK, and New Zealand, selling content is legal. That said, some countries do restrict selling feet pics due to laws or religious practices, but it is always illegal in any country if you are a minor. FeetFinder was built for buying and selling feet content, and all users are anonymous, so it is just pure fun. And again, it's the most secure website for buying and selling the best feet content. It's also a PCI compliant website, which means you don't have to worry about, compromising your data or information. So making money is very easy. FeetFinder enables buyers to buy pictures and videos individually from the sellers, and the sellers can build a model to display their feet content as well in different categories like heels, nail paints, soles, lotions, and more. So if you don't want to share your identity, that is no problem. You can keep it private. And FeetFinder is the top feet content website around, so it's definitely worth using if you are interested in a side hustle. So before taking the pictures, make sure you take the time to clean your feet so that they look really great, and you can even take some time to go through some of the bestseller accounts to kind of take a look at their pictures and how they do it to get a better idea. Feet are one of the top fetishes in mainstream advertising. You'll see a lot of different brands feature beautiful feet, and there are just a lot of different great reasons to buy feet pics. And many who collect feet pics, love gorgeous feet with painted nails, high arches, soft, shiny soles, and long, skinny soles with long toes. So it really just depends on the buyer and what their tastes are. But if that's not you, please don't worry, because it really is all in the eye of the beholder, and you can still make your feet look beautiful by taking extra care and maintaining excellent hygiene. So book pedicures monthly at your favorite pedicure salon, and be cautious of where you choose to book your appointments, because some salons use recycled water and some of them just don't, wash their tools properly and sanitize them properly after each appointment. So direct your pedicurist to cut your nails straight and to be gentle when digging around to avoid ingrown toenails. And don't forget to ask about the water and the cleaning of the instruments and the type of pedicure chairs at the salon. And then take pictures of your feet at various angles to see which one is the best one and upload them to your account. So you're probably wondering, how much do you get paid for feet pics? And the answer is there really is no fixed price for feet content. You could make anywhere from $5 to $1,000, or maybe even more if the quality is really good. You can make a lot more with custom requests, and you might be surprised to learn that people are willing to pay a huge amount for your feet pics, and there are many people who are making over $1,000 a month. For example, Jessica Gold, a Canadian woman, is making over $90,000 a year on Instagram by selling feet content. Therefore, there is no standard price for feet content. The cost of the picture really depends on the attractiveness of your feet and also the quality of the photos. You can create various albums with categories like painted nails, dirty feet, and more to sell feet pics. And if you are selling your feet content on FeetFinder, then you can add more than 5 pictures or videos to a single album. So users without premium access can upload at least 10 albums, and only if someone purchases that album can they upload another. However, a single album can be purchased several times by different buyers. So again, just make sure you have a good blend of feet content and come up with different ideas and categories, as different buyers have different interests in different types of feet content. And if you are on FeetFinder.com, an average foot pic sells for $22 and a video for $19. Buyers generally prefer to buy albums as previews, as albums are usually much cheaper than individual photos, and they also often message the seller to get to know them and make some custom offers. A A buyer can quickly pay a large amount of cash if they love your feet pics, so don't hesitate to collaborate with, a buyer and increase your content prices for custom requests. Some models made over $150,000, and that number is exponentially increasing month by month. Again, there is no specific standard for feet attractiveness. Everyone has a different perspective and taste, and we highly recommend you have different prices for extra content. A few lower priced albums at around $5, a few mid-priced albums at around $10 to $15, and finally a couple more expensive albums at more than $20 to ensure that you have a good variety and that there are different options for your buyers to choose from. Remember, it's a lot easier to get a lot of people to spend a small amount of money than it is to earn a large amount of money from a couple of users. Now that you know the basic requirements for selling feet pics, visit the best, safest, and top-rated website for selling feet pics, FeetFinder.com. So sign up today, click the links in the description below or the links in this video to find out more about FeetFinder.com and to get more information on how to buy and sell your feet content. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. We love to hear from you. Again, my name is Angela, wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on. Thank you so much for watching our video. Click here to learn more about FeetFinder.com and click here to learn more about how to buy and sell your content on FeetFinder.com.